If you want your organic traffic to grow, you need to follow SEO principles, and one of the important things is the proper use of H tags. In this video you will learn everything that is important about H tags. Imagine how hard it is to read and understand an unstructured text with no headings. For a robot, it's impossible. By using H tags we help Google and other search engines to better understand the content on the page. Also, it allows readers to quickly glance at the content map, which is very important for user experience and more points for SEO. There are a total of 6 H tags, from H1 to H6. H2 tag needs to be used as a subheading of the H1 heading. H3 is the subheading of the H2 heading, and so on. But that's not all, there are still a lot of rules you need to know. H1 tag is the most important tag on the page, and it is necessary to have only one H1 tag on the page. If you have 2 or more of them, you will confuse search engines. This tag has the highest value on the page, and it is necessary to use the keywords for which we want to position the page high in the search results. Actually, use H1 tags as a means of showcasing everything a person will get when they open the page. Unlike the H1 tag, the other tags are subheadings and we can have more of them on one page. You can think of other H tags as individual chapters that make up the whole story. Each H2 to H6 tag will include keywords relating to the main keywords but offer a particular focus. If you are wondering how long titles should be, there is no correct answer, but our suggestion is to use short, clear, and precise titles which are both beneficial for SEO and your targeted audience. If you use titles that are too long, your keyword will get lost in the middle and have less impact on SEO. When writing your titles, always think of the human readers and the robots. When writing for robots, keep the following in mind. Use 1 or 2 keywords per title without keyword stuffing. Try to keep the number of characters in the title between 70 and 80. Avoid to use the same keyword twice. Use unique H tags on the page and through the website in general. From the WordPress point of view, keep in mind that one of the important criteria when choosing a theme is how SEO-friendly the theme is. In the example we show you, you can see that the topic we use automatically keeps the page title in the H1 tag, which is good, and then you easily and simply define the other H tags through the text. If you have any questions, feel free to write us in the comments, and if you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.